Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about variables. So a variable is a very generic term nowadays. It is not a term which is specific only to Java. It is a common term in programming. So what is a variable exactly? Now a variable in any programming language is a piece of memory or a part of memory that is used to store data. It is like a container to hold data values in our program. So we can't store our data anyhow in memory. We need a variable to store data. So this is the main purpose of a variable, that is storing data. Now a variable has a data type which indicates the type of data it can hold. So whenever we consider a variable, there are two parts in its declaration. One is the name of the variable and the other is the data type. Let's say for example, if we want to declare a variable which should hold only integer values. So the syntax is as follows: int x. So this is the way we declare a simple variable in Java. Okay, so the first part, int, that is the data type which indicates the type of data that this variable can hold, and this is the name of the variable. So this variable can hold only integer values. Again, there will be exceptions to this, but at this moment we need not worry about them. So for now you just have to keep one thing in mind: any variable declaration has two parts. One is the data type and the other is the name of the variable. Now, depending on how the data is stored internally in the memory, variable can be divided into two categories. One is the primitive type and the other is the reference type. So this declaration which I have declared is a primitive type, and a reference type would be something like this. Now at this moment you need not worry about them, because I'm going to explain about them in detail in my next tutorial. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.